Brought to you by Agilus Diagnostics.
हेल्थ टेस्ट की बात आती है तो मैं भरोसा करता हूँ इंडिया लार्जेस्ट डायग्नोस्टिक्स कंपनी एजिलिस डायग्नोस्टिक्स। खुद को टेस्ट करते रहो।
You must have noticed how people are obsessed with hitting that 10K steps mark every day. A lot of folks are sporting smartwatches and using apps to track their steps. But what's the deal with this 10K step goal? Is it really that important, or is it just another trend that's making the rounds? Before we dive into that, let's chat with a few people and see how many steps they're actually taking and what are they doing to keep themselves active. हाँ, ऑफिस में कितने स्टेप्स ले लेते हैं?
यहाँ से वॉशरूम तक और फिर यहाँ से नीचे कैंटीन तक
12 to 15,000।
12 to 15,000, that's amazing. तो आप हमें बता सकते हो कि आप कैसे लेते हो, मतलब कैसे, हाउ डू यू मैनेज?
घर से मेट्रो से फिर ऑफिस में अप डाउन।
9 to 8,000।
9 to 8,000
हाँ जी।
या 8 to 9,000?
आई डोंट नो।
Approximately 8,000.
8,000?
Yeah.
और कुछ वर्कआउट या योगा, you do something?
Well, I try to go gym 5 times a week.
तो ये जो 8,000 स्टेप्स जो आप लेते हो, कैसे मैनेज कर लेते हो? अगर आपकी 8 या 9 घंटे की शिफ्ट है तो कैसे मैनेज कर पाते हो?
Well, I go for a walk after lunch and I try to go for a walk after my dinner also. Usually at my terrace.
I'm taking zero steps. Not really, like whatever counts within walking limits of the office, I guess. I have not really counted, कुछ होंगे.
अच्छा, तो वर्कआउट या जिम या कुछ आप करते हो?
अभी तो I'm not really doing anything. I guess I'm really inactive at the moment.
So I don't really calculate my steps. I'm not one of those who wears a fitness band or a watch or a keep account on the phones. So I usually whatever time I'm there sitting in the studio seat, that is the only time that I'm sitting. Otherwise you'll find me loitering here and there. I think 5 to 7,000 steps.
5 to 7,000.
That's what my estimate is. I've never calculated that. Usually they say 10,000 steps is good, no?
Yeah.
But I also feel that there is this theory that 10,000 steps is actually not, you don't have to like by the count fill up that 10,000 steps.
Yeah.
It's good if you have a momentum, and if you're very fit, so then Akshay Kumar says even 25,000 steps are less, so you have to take a pick right there.
Yeah.
No?
इतने सारे लोगों से बात करने के बाद हमें एक बहुत ज़रूरी बात तो समझ आ गई है, that not everyone is keeping a track on their steps and most of them don't even have a smartwatch. कुछ लोग मेट्रो से ऑफिस और ऑफिस से घर आने के बीच में मैक्सिमम स्टेप्स कवर कर लेते हैं, तो कुछ लोग लंच करने के बाद वॉक करते हैं, तो कुछ लोग फोन कॉल पे बात करते हुए भी स्टेप्स कवर कर लेते हैं, और जो लोग अपनी बिजी स्केड्यूल की वजह से जिम नहीं जा पा रहे हैं वो लोग रात में डिनर के बाद और सोने से पहले 10 के स्टेप्स कवर कर रहे हैं। बहुत से फिटनेस के लिए जिम जाते हैं और बहुत से लोग फिटनेस के लिए डांस क्लासेस ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं। तो चलिए अब जानते हैं कि क्या सच में डेली के 10,000 स्टेप्स लेना ज़रूरी है या ये सिर्फ कहने की बात है। Hitting 10K steps is a great way to keep your heart healthy. Regular walking can help lower your risk of heart diseases and improve circulation. Plus, it's a fantastic way to manage weight. Burning calories while you are just out and about can really add up. Walking can boost your mood and reduce stress. Ever notice how a stroll outside clears your mind? It's like hitting the refresh button. The rhythm of walking combined with fresh air can do wonders for your mental clarity. Also, it's super accessible. You don't need a gym membership or fancy equipment, just a good pair of shoes and a bit of motivation. Whether it's walking during your lunch break, taking the stairs, or just taking evening stroll, it all counts. And let's not forget about the social side of it. Walking can be a great way to connect with friends and family. Going for a walk together is often more enjoyable than just sitting around, and it fosters conversations in a relaxed setting. So while 10K steps might seem like a lot, even taking 5 to 8K steps daily can significantly improve your health. It's a fun and achievable as well. Let's not forget the drill is to keep yourself active. So what do you think? Do you try to hit that step goal today? Share with us in the comment box below. Also, if you like the video, do not forget to like it, share with your friends and family, and keep watching Fit Tak.